Federal Council aims to regulate financial market institutions and derivatives trading by law. But what will this mean for the financial sector in Switzerland? Joining us to give his thoughts on the new legislations is Jan Korbaz. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
So tell me, what is the purpose of the new Swiss draft legislations concerning the financial sector in Switzerland?
There are three draft legislation. The Federal Financial Services Act, the FFSA, will govern the relationship between financial intermediaries and their client for all financial products. The Financial Institution Act will make provisions for a differentiated supervisory regime for financial institution and will supervise all financial service providers who operate any asset management business. And the Financial Markets Infrastructure Act will adjust the regulation of financial markets infrastructure. There are three drafts legislation. The Federal Financial Service Act, FFSA, will govern the relationship between financial intermediaries and their client for all financial products. The Financial Institution Act will make provision for a differentiated supervisory regime for financial institutions and will supervise all financial services providers who operate any asset management business. And the Financial Markets Infrastructure Act will adjust the regulation of financial market infrastructures and derivatives trading. The purpose of the new financial acts, if they will enter into force, is to strengthen the stability of Switzerland and the competitiveness of its financial center.
Tell me, why was Switzerland likely to adopt this new financial legislation?
The new legislations will improve clients' protections and will create uniform competitive conditions for financial intermediaries. As an example, the Federal Financial Services Act includes provisions such as the obligation to publish a prospectus, the obligation to provide clients sufficient information of the financial service and financial instrument offered when they take investment decision with an easily comprehensive basic information sheet. Also, the entities with no factual presence in Switzerland will have to be registered. It will enable the Swiss authority to obtain information concerning the cross-border activities of foreign financial service to investors in Switzerland. The Financial Institution Act will supervise in a uniform act all financial service providers who operate any asset management business. Qualified asset manager, manager of collective investment scheme assets, and those who manage the asset of Swiss occupational benefit scheme will be supervised by the Swiss Financial Markets Supervisory Authority, the FINMA. For all other assets manager under certain conditions, they could be managed by other supervisory organizations. Finally, the Financial Markets Infrastructure Act will contain all the regulations that apply in relation to securities and derivatives trading for all market securities and derivatives trading for all markets participants. The majority of Swiss derivatives trading is currently cross-border and largely take place with the European Union. Consequently, the three key obligations for derivatives trading should apply in Switzerland too in the future. Clearing via central counterparty, reporting to a trade repository, and risk mitigation, with exception for smaller contracting parties in the financial sector. So the rule for financial institutions will be harmonized.
Could these new legislations impact on investments in Switzerland?
We have to keep in mind that the Swiss financial services and products are exported mainly to the European Union. So this is essential to be competitive and in conformity with the EU legislation such as MiFID II, which was adopted last April to ensure the future possibilities of exports for Swiss services and financial products.
Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
We'll be making sure that we keep you up to date of all the legislations that may happen here in Switzerland, as and when they do. Make sure you keep checking back in to Dukascopy TV. Goodbye.